Okay, Cappuccino, here is your calculator hack for today. First of all, let me clear out what I've got in my y equals. All right, so what we're going to be doing is we are going to be learning how to get the regression equation into our y equals so we can graph it real fast. So what we have been doing is we've been doing our regressions and then we've been jotting it down on a piece of paper and then copying it back into the calculator. Well, obviously that seems pretty inefficient. So we're have a more efficient way of doing it now. Okay, so notice I'm at Stat, Edit, and I've got some data in here. So I'm going to go ahead and do some regressions on this. So I'm going to hit Stat, Calculate. Let's start with a linear regression. So number 4, linear regression. And we're used to doing this, list 1, list 2. And then I'm going to come down here to where it says Store. And I'm going to do Alpha Trace. Okay, I'm going to press alpha and then trace. So I just do that, and then I can select which one of these y values I want to place it into by using my arrow here. So if I already have other equations in there, I might not want to put it in y1. So I can just keep going down until I decide where I want it. Okay, so I'll go ahead though and put it in y1. Oops, I pressed it too many times. There we go. And then hit enter, enter again, enter. Now at this point, this is where we would be jotting down the equation on our piece of paper, which of course, if you're taking a test, you would need to do. But if you're just analyzing data and you want to see, well, what does this equation look like? Does it fit my data? Well, we can now go to y equals, and there it is. That linear equation has been put into the y equals. And if I graph it, there's my data, the little red dots, and there is my linear regression. Looks pretty lousy. All right, so let's go ahead and do another regression. Let's do stat, calculate. Let's do quadratic. See how we get with quadratic here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter, list 1, list 2, and now where it says store regression equation, I am going to put alpha, trace, and I'm going to select the second one, y2, and press enter, enter, enter. Okay, it's done. If I hit y equals, there it is. I have 2 equations in here now. And if I hit graph, there's the linear regression and then the quadratic regression in red. Okay, so nice, fast, easy way of getting your parameters for your regression, for the equation, and getting it into the y equals so that you can then graph it. All right, thanks to Michael for the hack, and I hope you like it. Bye-bye.